Look at this.
There's so many. You know what's fun? The last couple of days in Hanoi,
So we're at the White House here.
That's the White House.
We got this. Look at that fountain over there. Just building a cathedral here. It's this building, Diamond Plaza. I thought that's a Korean brand. What's it doing over here? There's the cane sugar drink. So they crunch it. They do it multiple times, fold it, and then crunch it again, and it goes in there. So you'll see a fresh one they put. It looks like bamboo, and then it goes like that. That's the finished product.
That's the finished product.
You want to take one with the middle finger?
We'll take a picture.
Give it a try. Let us know what you think. Oh, here's a straw. Give it a try and let us know what you think. You want one Talong? Here, take this one. What? Here. Get, that's his. Now you take a new one.
Take a different one.
Okay.
That's his new one. Oh, uh-oh. Try it, Talong. I can try it. Go. Go. See what it... Can't even get the straw in there. What's going on there?
Come on.
What do you think? See, I'll try to get some, not get the faces in there.
Really good.
Okay, really good and sweet. So at night, you got all the lights over there. All right, so here's our room. This is glass. You got a light switch. One is for the bathroom, one's for the room. This is for the air conditioner. We don't have a card for the power, so I guess we don't need that. They got a TV here. We haven't tried turning it on. We got a Thor's hammer thing here. What else? We got a Hulk smash through the wall, Iron Man mask. And we got Thanos, pray for the universe, because I'm gonna explode them all. Alright, so here's the bathroom here. You got the dual flushing system. You got a sprayer here to clean the poops off your butt, because I don't know who came up with wiping your butt with paper, because I've never had someone, if you pooped on a floor, you wouldn't just wipe it up with paper. That'd be disgusting. You need water. But that's how we do it in the US. You got the shower here. You got this. Up is for shower. Down is for this faucet thing. I don't know what you would use that, just to wash your feet. Then you got the temperature. Forward is for heat. Down for, or backwards for cold. Got body wash and shampoo here. And it's connected like in the same room. So it's kind of nice because there's always water cleaning your floor. So I don't know if you get poop all over the place, then it will just go down the drain. Then you got the sink here. And they got some shampoos and stuff. And they have an attic crawl space, so if someone's hiding up there, I don't know, they might come out at night. And there you go, there's the air conditioner. There's a clock. And we got a mini fridge. There's some fruits in there that we got. I don't know what this is. Utilities, oh, okay. And you can see the prices. And that's it. Thanks for watching, see y'all later. Bye.